So here we go. We got action rolling. We got ninja moves.
All right.
All right, we're ready to go.
Okay, here we go. Hey guys, Ben here with RHRSwag. We are on another segment of Borrowin the Beards. Ben and Aaron here, Aaron with an E. Today we're going to be covering how to measure your receiver hitch correctly. Reason for that being is some of the newer trucks nowadays, especially Fords, they like to throw a 2.5 inch or a 3 inch receiver on it. Sometimes they'll come with sleeves, so we just want to make sure you know how to measure your receiver hitch correctly to make sure you're getting your right hitches, ball mounts, everything correctly the first time for you. And I'll hand it off to Aaron. He's going to walk us through it.
Before we get into that, I do just want to give a big thank you to RM Stout. They are letting us film on location today in their beautiful lot, and they have provided this beautiful F-150 for us. So let's get to it. So to measure your receiver, you want to measure inside to inside. So I'm going to get my tape measure up in there flush, and I'm measuring out 2 inches. So you can measure that either vertically or horizontally, but you should come out with 2 inches either way. Now, in your 2.5 and 3 inch receivers, you could get a sleeve for it to help make up for that gap, and we will cover that in another video.
That'll be coming soon. If you guys do have any other questions, comments, anything that you guys like to see us do, like, comment, subscribe below. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you.